Parts of ulcer. Generally, any ulcer of skin or mucous membrane looks as a break in its continuity. Ulcers may develop out of many reasons, and to find it out specifically, there are significant parts which gives us clue to diagnose the type and condition of the ulcer. Starting from margin, which is a junction between normal epithelium and ulcer, and it makes the boundary for ulcer. Continued by edge, the area where maximum activity takes place is present between margin and the floor. And let's see few common types of it. Here the edge is undermined because the ulcer spreads in and destroys the subcutaneous tissue in a faster rate than skin, and this type is evident in tuberculosis. In gummatous or deep trophic ulcer, we can see this punched out edge. As the name says, looks like it has been cut with a punch, as because the edge drops down at right angle to the skin surface. Thus, rather than spreading to surrounding tissue, limits to the ulcer itself. Next is sloping type of edge. As name indicates, it is sloping in nature, seen in healing traumatic or venous ulcers. Raised or pearly white beaded edge has necrotic center, develops usually in rodent ulcer. The edges of carcinomatous ulcer such as squamous or adenocarcinoma having heaped up growing edge which spills over the normal skin gives an everted appearance. Now moving to floor, which is an exposed surface within the ulcer, we look for, and it may get covered with red granulation tissue in case of healthy and healing ulcer. The covered tissue is pale and smooth granulated in slowly healing ulcer, and it looks like wash leather slough in gummatous type, and it may penetrate even to bone in trophic ulcer, and a black kind of moss in malignant melanoma. Often the floor may get confused with the base on which the ulcer rests, which is better felt when picked up between thumb and index finger. Any chronic ulcer manifests slight hardness, and it is well significant in squamous carcinoma and Hunterian chancre. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like my video. Please share, subscribe and comment.